Hey everyone, it's UNiCOMICS here, and I'm here with another Let's Draw, and this week is the Creepypasta story. Now, I'm gonna talk the story out as the picture is going to be drawn, so I hope that you all enjoy it. I'm kind of gonna do this on the fly, so if it sounds a bit weird in places, that's because of that. So I've only got a few bits of notes here of the ideas and stuff down, so hopefully you guys will like them, and I hope that you enjoy the rest of the video. So me and my friends were talking online about this new phone application she got on her phone, and how it's kind of really annoying her at the moment. And the application, all it is, it's like you take photos with it. You know, you can add little filters and do like really cool photo editing on it. The only problem was that every time she tried to uninstall the application and then she'd restart her phone, it would be there again like it just installed itself. And she kept doing this over and over and over again. So I asked, like, where did you get this app? Like, when did this like happen? You know? And she said to me, oh, I got a text message of a friend who I don't really speak to anymore. And it was really strange because, like, we hadn't spoken much recently, and out of the blue I got this text and it had nothing on it. But when I clicked away from the message, the application was on my phone, and I was running through the woods at the time, and I was like, so I asked my friend, okay, so what then? Well, I used the application to see what it did, and it was just a photo thing. So I took a picture in the woods, and that was it. And I thought nothing of it. So I was like, oh right, so what's wrong? Like, why don't you just get a new phone? And she said, well, that's just the thing. I did get a new phone, and the app's on that phone as well. So I'm sitting here thinking to myself, whoa, that's really weird. Like, okay, so what does the app look like? And she said that it was a circle with a line straight through it. So I said, okay, well, get me on a Skype call or something, or FaceTime, something like that, so I can just speak to her as she's on her way to my house, so I can fix her phone. So as she's on her way, she's walking through the woods, and the picture is all right. You know, she's got like, you know, 5G or 4G, whatever G it is nowadays. And like, she's talking to me, she's walking through the woods, and then I suddenly tell her, hey, what's that on that tree in the background? And she looked around and she just like jumped and like in fear a little bit. So I was like, oh my god, that's the symbol on the phone. And I'm like, what? Are you kidding? Like, that round circle with a line through it, that's on your phone? Why is it on a tree? And then I pointed out there's more of the symbols. It's on the other tree next to it, and on the next one next to that one. And she turned around, and now she's starting to freak out. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna come out and I'm gonna meet you, alright? Just stay on the line and I'll meet you, and we'll meet halfway, okay? And she agreed, and she stayed there, and we were just chatting onto the phone. And then she heard a noise. She turned around and she showed me with her phone. I was like, okay, just try and keep the phone still, alright? And she's freaking out. So I've tried to rush there as fast as I can, and then her phone goes off. I tried calling her back, nothing happens, and it's like really weird, because I could have sworn I saw something in the shadows just as the phone went off. So I ran really fast, and so as I got to where she said she was last, I saw her phone on the ground. I picked it up, and it was like she had stopped the phone call to like the phone call was gone, but it was left in that application. Like, the application was turned on, and I picked up the phone and it was just her taking a selfie, and I was just flicking through the images, and then suddenly I came across the most strangest image I've ever seen. It was a picture of her taking a selfie, but as she was, there was something behind her. That weird, strange shaped being from before, that was in the shadows, or casting the shadows was like this really weird man-made creature thing with like weird mist coming out of the mouth or whatever it looked like it was, and it was all pixelated for some strange reason. It was so strange, like that just doesn't happen. And I looked around and I just see a trail, so I follow the trail. I turned off the app and I just shut the phone off and I put it in my pocket, and I ran and followed the trail, and I saw all the symbols, but as I kept moving, the symbols were becoming more reddish, almost like they were being painted with blood. And then I saw the creature, and it was standing there. You could just see the silhouette of the creature as it turned around, and it freaked me out. And I tried to move, but I couldn't, and all I could do was just get my phone out and try and take a picture with my friend's phone. And then I noticed there was one more image, and I turned it over, and it was a horrifying image of my friend's final moments. And then suddenly I click on the camera button and I face it to myself, and then I too snapped another picture. So if anyone's gotten this text message or this application on your phone, like, be warned, because I didn't survive, and if you're hearing this message now, you're probably not going to survive either. The end. And there you go. I didn't know what to do with that story. It just came to my head as and when. I thought it would be really cool as like a twist ending. As it turned out, it was just an actual message all along. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you like the Let's Draw. Let me know what you think of it down below. I actually kind of got chills on the back of my neck as I was like doing that. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. So let me know down in the comments down below what you thought about it, and if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, and remember to hit that bell button so you get more content notifications from me from the future on this channel from the future. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye everyone.